Hey, this is Todd with InternetLaunchMarketing.com, and I'm going to do a quick overview of a WordPress website, actually two of them. One that I've set up with a static home page, which is this: every time you come to this site, this page will always be the one that it'll never change unless I go in there and physically change it. I have set up a blog category, so every time I write a post and want to have it as part of the blog, it will get dropped into this particular category here. But fundamentally, this is a site that's set up like a website so that it has a static home page. Now, this blog is my kind of working blog, and it does not have a static home page, and every time I post a new article to it, it pushes the old article down. So creating a business blog part 1 pushed why are meta tags and what does Google do with them down, and next time I write a new post, it will push this down, and they'll just keep getting pushed down one after the other. But if we roll into the chiropractor site and go into the dashboard real quick, I'll show you how I did that. Now I'm using Thesis, and Thesis gives you some cool little back end stuff that makes it easy to set some of this stuff up. But what I did is I went into Pages and I created a page that I did not give a title to, because I didn't want that title. See, I got no title there. I did not want that title to be the first thing on my page. But once I created that page, then I went to Settings, and if you go down to Reading, then I can choose a static page and then choose my front page to be this blank one that I created. So that's actually choosing a page. It's just blank. And then I set up a category in my posts, because posts get positioned in categories, and I set up a category of Atlanta Chiropractor blog. And then Thesis allows me to put both my my navigation, both categories and pages on my my navigation bar. One other thing that I wanted to point out real quick is that when you're setting up a new blog, you want to go down to Settings and Permalinks, and you want to be able to turn the permalink, which is like the slug, so that it has a keyword. And you got to choose custom structure, and then the /% post name %/ The easy way to do that, when you first get in here, you're going to be in default. But if you click on month and name, then it will pop that one down there, and you're just going to erase or delete the front end of that. Hit backspace or delete, and it will delete out those first two, and then you'll be left with post name. And hit Save Changes. Don't forget to do that. And what that will do is when you go in and you look at your post names, it will not be a P123. It will have the actual name of the title of the post, and you can go in there and change that. You can edit it if you want to. I usually just keep it the same, but it's always going to have the words that you use for the title, which will give you better keywords, and it will set the structure up of the permalink in that way. And that's just some real kind of rudimentary, start off. Here's how you look at the dashboard, and here's how you kind of move some stuff around. So every time you write a post, it's going to get dropped into categories, and you're going to create categories with good keyword names. And every time you write a post, you're going to choose what categories you want. See right there, my category is always Atlanta Chiropractor blog for this particular site. Now on my Sagacious News, I actually have many categories, and depending what post I'm writing, there's all of my categories right there: computers, creative living, equipment. I mean, there's just a ton of them. So you can create a blog site like this and have a lot of categories, or you can also kind of create a static home page and a blog on the back end. And that's it for this lesson. Leave any comments below, and I'll see you next time.